Few days back I created video with Galaxy Buds 2 and I said that for $150 our Buds 2 may be best choice what you can buy for your money. This is true only if Galaxy Buds Pro costs still $200. But when I released video with Buds 2, so after few days, few Czech stores, country where I live, made big discount on Galaxy Buds Pro. And now Pro version costs same as 2 version, $150. So if your situation is same and Buds Pro costs same as Buds 2, so Buds Pro are always better choice. And if you live in country where Buds Pro costs still 200 and Buds 2 cost 150, so better choice is Galaxy Buds 2. And in this video we will look on unboxing and first impression of Galaxy Buds Pro in Phantom Black. So let's go on it. First we will look on the box. So this is front side, right side, some text, back side, active noise cancelling, two-way speaker, battery life, water resistance IPX7, left side, and on bottom side are some serial number. Okay, and what is in the box? So here is manual, manual and warranty card, manual from Samsung and warranty card. Here is cable. Wow, cable is in same color as Buds, in black, and small box. This is smaller and bigger ear tips, bigger and smaller, better. Okay, and cable is standard USB type A and type C. And here are buds. Case Galaxy Buds Pro is matte, not glossy. For example, Buds 2 have a glossy case, and this is nice matte material. On the back side is USB type C, on front side is one LED diode, and the second LED diode is inside. Wow, very nice, matte black. Magnet is strong, same as in Galaxy Buds 2 case, and size case is really identical. And here are Buds Pro in Phantom Black. And Galaxy Buds Pro are for people with bigger ears, because this shape, this is different versus Buds 2. When we look closely, design, and front side is very nice buds. But if you have smaller ears, so better is buy standard Buds Plus or Buds 2. Okay, so this was unboxing, and now let's go look on Samsung Galaxy Wear application. In Galaxy Wear application, I start with pairing. And the buds are paired. Okay, so here are left and right buds and the battery, and battery in case. Here is option for active noise cancelling on. I move buds into my ear, yeah, and active noise cancelling is active, low or high. Here is active noise cancelling off, and here is ambient sound, low, medium, high or very high. Here is voice detection when I will be speaking about 10 seconds, so active noise cancelling switch to ambient sound. Here is block touches, for example when you sport, and here is settings for left touch and hold or right touch and hold. Buds settings, standard equalizer, read notification, easy pairing, Samsung Labs, reset my buds, and buds software actualization, and about buds software, serial number, model. Find my buds, and last option is manual from Samsung. Okay, so this was Samsung Galaxy Wear application, and now let's go on conclusion. Conclusion of Galaxy Buds Pro. First, music. Yeah, it's true, Galaxy Buds Pro are best buds from Samsung for music. It's true. Second, specification. In specification, our Buds Pro really same as Buds 2. 5 hours with active noise cancelling, 7.5 hours without noise cancelling. Nice case, with wireless charging, two-way speaker, it's same. Maybe water resistance, it's different. Buds 2 are IPX2 and Galaxy Buds Pro are IPX7. So Buds Pro are better in water resistance. And now about size. And this is mainly because if you have smaller ears, so I give you tip, don't buy Galaxy Buds Pro, because Buds Pro are really bigger than Buds 2, and these buds don't fit very good. But if you have larger ears, so Buds Pro are always better choice, and mainly if you have same luck as I, and Buds Pro cost same as Buds 2. So my conclusion is, if you have smaller ears, don't buy Galaxy Buds Pro and buy Buds 2. If you have larger ears, Buds Pro are better choice. So this is my conclusion, and in some next video, bye!